Hey folks, this is Tejas Kamalkar. It's a beautiful sunny day out today, and we are taking all our dogs to the KCI registration event.
我从阿索茶具和研磨下笔，直觉给我四个字算大展宏图，大事亲手提笔直，大展宏图，搬来放在办公室，哎，大展宏图，关公都点头，有料，鸿运不能总是大。
So we have reached the venue. These are our dogs with their caretakers, waiting patiently for their turn. These are other dogs with their caretakers, waiting for their turn as well, filling up the forms, getting the dogs checked by the judges, and then immediately getting them microchipped. The microchip is getting checked, verified, and me being felicitated for my effort. Thank you so much, Swan Foundation and KCI.
人情软过玻璃，江湖总是形形色色，谁还没点诟病？一个二个阿索喜欢看风景，懒懒听不。